Hi, welcome to Unipart Group Australia's first ever Product Innovation Day. We're very excited to be here at the UGL Unipart Auburn Maintenance Facility in Sydney. We're here to showcase today Unipart Group's new product that we're bringing into Australia in 2023 for the rail industry. Many innovations and a leap forward in technology and safety. Today we're very proud to have one of our key suppliers, ST Engineering's product known as the TunnelFox, a remotely operated inspection vehicle designed for use in both track and tunnels to get people out of the danger zone and to provide networks with fine detail and data on their assets. This particular platform, as we see it here today, is assembled on track by two operators in the space of 7 to 10 minutes. It comprises of 9 pieces, and the unit itself is self-propelled using its own battery and a separate battery for control of individual payloads. One of the most exciting things about the TunnelFox is its amazing versatility and capability. The TunnelFox platform, as you see here, is capable of either towing a variety of payloads, as we see here, with a mid-level track geometry system, but it can also tow payloads up to 700 kilos in weight and a gradient up to 3%. The versatility of the platform itself allows us to add a number, almost endless, possibilities of scanning equipment and asset management equipment. We have the ability to add, for example, to the front of the TunnelFox, an advanced laser track geometry system. We have the capability of mounting on the platform itself a 3D tunnel scanner that will allow an operator to scan in both thermal and infrared at the same time in one pass, providing the operator with an extremely in-depth view of the tunnel, which includes the ability to see not only hotspots on their cabling, but also potential sites with water ingress where the thermal scan may pick up blue imagery on the wall where water may be pooling. You can also add an overlay of those, so when you review the footage, you can see a combination of impacts that may be about to or presently impacting your asset. The other advanced feature of the 3D tunnel scanner is the ability to store all that data and export it directly from the site prior to the vehicle being taken off track. That allows for the off-site analysis of the data, either during a scan, post-scan, or over a period of time where you may need to view the growth of a water spot or a hot spot and organise a maintenance job for that to be done. The TunnelFox scanner payload also has the ability to detect cracks down to 0.3 millimeters in size. So over time you can build a profile of changes and potential sites of future maintenance requirements in the tunnel to make sure that what is just a crack today doesn't end up being potentially a major problem later. Let's take a look at some of the other payloads. The payloads that we can also mount to the rear of the TunnelFox include a double rail floor detector, which uses ultrasonic technology to scan the rail using echolocation to find cracks and damage to the rail surface and also deep within the rail down to the web, so that you can see if there are any cracks that are developing as a result of CAD welding or as the result of bolts being drilled through for termination. Some of the other payloads that we are already looking at in Australia to include with the TunnelFox when it arrives in December are beacon or communication surveys, where the TunnelFox will be able to scan the section of track or the tunnel to detect the signal strength of the assets within that tunnel and detect where there may be improvements required to increase a frequency or the strength of a frequency so that operators can have better access to their communications networks. In the future, we have the ability to even adapt this platform, as you see, even further. It may be able to actually carry or handle large loads up to 700 kilos in operator equipment or supplies that need to be delivered into an environment where employees typically traversing a track may put themselves in danger carrying that equipment. Let's take a look at some of the other features of this Fox. The batteries we have on the unit, you'll see here. One battery is designed to operate the unit and has approximately a 4-hour lifespan. The TunnelFox can be operated either via a tether with front and rear connections, or, as we'll see today, a remote operation. It can be controlled via a PC or a laptop. As you'll see here, we're going to run the TunnelFox at approximately walking speed, 4 kilometres an hour. The TunnelFox is capable though of running at speeds of up to 16 kilometres an hour. It has numerous built-in safety features. It has an automatic bump stop on both the front and rear, and both ultrasonic and LiDAR capability built into the front of the unit to detect any obstacles that may be within the rail profile. Let's take a look at some of the other products that Unipart is showing today at our Innovation Day.